Hi, I'm Dr. Nicole Nemeth, a board-certified plastic surgeon here at Plastic Surgery of Westchester. Today I want to talk about the difference in what you can expect between a PDO Threadlift and a facelift. So PDO Threadlift is a non-surgical procedure whereby a small cannula is inserted underneath the skin, and when the cannula is removed, a barbed suture or thread is left behind. That suture or thread material has these fine little barbs on it, and it engages the undersurface of the skin and the tissue, and it allows me to sort of create a pull effect versus a facelift. And a facelift is a surgical procedure that does require incisions and cutting, but it also allows me to visualize the underlying tissues, and I can place more permanent sutures and reposition that tissue a little bit more predictably, and also redrape the skin and remove excess skin. So it's a little bit more invasive, but it's also a lot more predictable as far as the results that we're going to achieve. And there's more longevity to that. So you have to decide whether or not you're a candidate for this surgery and willing to go underneath the anesthesia and the recovery that is required. A PDO Threadlift, however, does not require really any anesthesia. And there's really no downtime. You might have some swelling and bruising in the first few days and on up to a couple of weeks, versus a facelift, which is going to require a period of 2 to 3 weeks for the initial healing, and then on up to a couple of months and a year for really the final results. There's a difference in that as well. The only way really to know what's going to be the best option depends on what your goals are and what you're willing to undergo and the type of recovery that you want to have. So it's a great idea for you to come and talk to me, and we can talk about these different options for you.